In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add embed form from Klaviyo into Shopify Gempages. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and that the form you want to use is already created and saved as a draft. This process starts inside Klaviyo, because you need to publish and enable the form before you connect it to Shopify. First, go to the Sign Up Forms area in Klaviyo. This is where all of your pop-ups and embedded forms are managed. From there, open your drafts. Drafts are forms that are not currently live, so they will not appear on your store until you publish and enable them. Once you open the draft form you want, you will be taken into the form editor. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct form, since publishing will make that version the one you connect to your store. When you are ready, click Publish in the editor. Publishing is important because it saves the form in a live ready state, which is required for the next integration options to appear. After you publish, you should see a confirmation message that says the form was published successfully. In that same modal or prompt, click Enable. Enabling is what actually turns the form on, so it can be served to your website and used to collect signups. If you publish but do not enable, the form may remain inactive and it will not display as expected. Next, you will choose how to connect the form to your store platform. Select the option that says Integrate with your website platform. This tells Klaviyo you want to install the form through a supported e-commerce or site builder integration rather than using a different install method. Finally, in the drop-down menu, choose Shopify. Selecting Shopify ensures Klaviyo prepares the correct integration pathway for a Shopify store, which is what you will need when placing the form into a page built with Gempages. At this point, your Klaviyo embed form is published, enabled, and set to integrate with Shopify, which is the key setup needed before you add it into your Shopify Gempages content. And that is all there is to it.